Does the iPhone 14 car crash detection system really work? A YouTuber puts this feature to the test. Those YouTubers always putting things to the test, aren't they?
Yeah.
Who would do it if the YouTubers didn't? YouTuber Tech Racks posted a 6 minute 27 second. Oh, that's weird the way they wrote that. 6:27-minute video in a car with no one inside. He tried to simulate a few car crash accidents. While small bumps aren't enough to trigger this feature, he was able to show crash detection working twice with the iPhone 14 Pro. Tech Racks is always destroying the phones. Stick them on a frying pan or a barbecue or smash.
A lot of drop tests.
Yeah, all these things. I didn't see him for a while. He's back, I guess. And in this case, the need for destruction actually kind of useful here.
Yeah. He rigged up his car or a car. He didn't drive it.
Yeah, a car. Look at this beauty. What is that? A Buick or something? What is that?
Yeah.
Why is there an electric skateboard in there? Wow.
And a boosted board, I think.
So the boosted board is...
Somehow it's
lifting the brake?
Accelerator.
Okay.
Sure.
Cool. Yeah. That's a nice little rig. GoPro in the back. Out in a field. Do you think they got a permit for this, Will?
I don't think so.
Okay. You never know. You never know. You're just not getting that feeling. Whoa, they almost hit the... Go back. It's a little close to the tower over there. Play a little bit of this here. Am I crazy or no? Maybe.
No, they're pretty far away.
Maybe I'm crazy. No, go forward a bit. I felt as though... Go forward a little bit more. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe it was back. Go back a little bit more.
Oh, gosh.
Just got to get to the bottom of this. More. Or look at this one on the left. Look at this tower on the left right here.
Oh, yeah. That's a little... It's a bit hairy.
You best be steering because you take that baby down. Little power outage for you.
So, yeah, I guess they did a couple tests with the car itself.
So what were they crashing into?
Some old cars.
Oh, okay.
So they strapped the iPhone in the back headrest.
Yeah.
To simulate, I guess, the phone being in the car. Although it could have been on the seat or something, right?
I guess they didn't. I guess they didn't want it flying across the car because they're trying to imagine it would be in a pocket. If you had it just sitting on the seat, it would fly across the car, for sure triggering it. I think what they probably were hoping to discover is exactly the moment that the SOS would be triggered.
And the camera's pointed at it, I guess. So
yeah, showing the time. So you're showing the legitimacy of the test. Listen, we can't question the testing methods of Tech Racks. You understand?
Yeah, he knows his
He's
stuff.
got it all figured out, exactly how you have to do this type of thing. And they prove the feature works on the. I presume it'll work the same way on the watch. These are useful things. These are useful technologies, man. We'll take it.
Yeah, I mean, it wasn't even going that fast, but it was able to detect it twice.
We'll take it, Will. These are useful technologies, and we're going to take it.
You know?
We're going to take it. Get in the crash, get the emergency services, saves your life. Have the heart attack, watch, it saves your life.
Science on YouTube.
In the wilderness, saves your life. Because you're in the middle of the desert, in the middle of the night.
Helicopters.
I don't know why you're there, but you're there. And you don't want to be there anymore.
No.
You have an Apple Watch or an SOS. You're all
I
set.
do want to be there if I have the Apple Watch.
Oh, okay, cool.
Save my life, right?
You want to be in the middle of the desert?
Well, I mean,
what would bring you to the middle of the desert?
I don't know.
What are you looking for? Scorpions or something? What are you doing out there?
You put me there.
Yeah, what do you do?
I don't want to be there.
No, what are you doing out there?
I guess looking for water.
See what I mean? You see what I mean? What's going on out there? I mean, I also want to explore some things, but the desert doesn't care about you, Will.
The oasis. I'm looking for the oasis.
Okay, so you're out there looking for an oasis. You know you could just go on vacation or something. Because they got all types of...
But you put me there, so I need to find...
Well, because Apple put people there in the commercial. They got the people hiking in the desert by themselves. Are you supposed to do that? Are you supposed to hike by yourself out there? Like, what are the hiking rules with this? I understand, like, you got the guy who's climbing the mountain with no ropes by himself. You know, Yeah.
Alex Honnold.
Talking about Honnold.
Yeah.
And I'm watching on Netflix, and it's like a psychology to it where he can't really tell everybody because he's kind of got to build himself up. It's got to be the right peaceful moment, and he's got to be like fully Zen mode, whatever. And he finally goes for it on his own. I would assume that for the heavy duty hikers out there, there's some sort of high that comes from the risk factor, some of the things you're approaching.
Oh, definitely, yeah. Yeah.
And so that's they want the SOS. They don't want to be with a friend or a group that could just, help them, save them, whatever.
They want Apple.
What was the guy in the movie sawing off the arm? He's in the crevasse.
James Franco?
Yeah.
The actor, not the actual person.
Cutting.
Yeah.
Was he alone as well?
He was, yeah.
You see what I'm saying here, Will? You ever try anything like that?
I would not.
Weren't you at Coachella?
I was with friends. And that's, yes, that was in the middle of the desert.
No, I know. I'm having fun, Will.
Yeah.
I'm just having fun. I know you're busy. I know you're a busy guy.